Frustrated that your car's tailgate just won't budge? Here's why, and what you can do. A stuck tailgate is a common car problem. Most of the time, it's one of three things: the lock, the handle, or the latch. First, check if your car doors are unlocked. Many tailgates have a safety lock that keeps them closed if the main doors are locked. Next, press the button or pull the handle. If you feel no resistance, the handle mechanism might be broken. If the handle feels fine, but nothing happens, the latch could be jammed or rusted. Try gently pressing on the tailgate while you open it. Sometimes that releases a sticky latch. Another reason could be a blown fuse, especially if your car has an electronic tailgate. Check your car's manual to find the right fuse and see if it needs replacing. Finally, in cold weather, ice can freeze the tailgate shut. Try gently pushing or tapping around the edges, but avoid using too much force. If none of these steps work, it's best to see a mechanic. Don't force the tailgate. This could damage it further. So next time your tailgate won't open, remember, check the locks, the handle, the latch, and the fuse. Stay safe, and good luck.